Yeah, here we go. Very quick. Somebody said to me yesterday after my previous video when I showed my account, and I said, this is how you make six figures with eBay dropshipping. And I got a comment. The person said, it's not possible to make a six-figure dropshipping on eBay without paid ads or promoted listings, that I'm doing promoted listings. Well, I want to show you something inside my account and prove you that I have no promoted listings for whatever period I did, and explain to you why not and what the system is. Okay, let's switch the screen and go to my account.
There is a certain system how to work with this. You have to understand this very clearly and be very sure about what you are doing and how this works. Okay, manual dropshipping, nothing complicated, no ads, no promoted listings. Here it is, promoted listings, 0. I don't use promoted listings, all sales, okay? Everything just goes manually. But you have to follow the system, which has been proven to work. I didn't come up with this system last month or something like this. For those who are in 799, you know already what I'm talking about, okay?
Yes, for those who are not familiar with my system or 799 training, which you can find below this video, there is 799 training. The system is very simple. You got 3-month period as a new eBay seller, right? You got open account, 3 months. What you do in a 3 months matters. You will gonna make money or you will be struggling. There are no middle way. You will make money or you will struggle. That's it. So I developed the system 799, what we have to do in a 3-month period to keep the process in a progressive way. When you do this, that's called system 799. When you follow the system, that's you're getting results like this. This is no magic, nothing paid for. It's just a system. When you list certain items for certain price in a certain categories to make your account in a certain way for eBay. Okay? Okay, let me show you something else.
So I told you already in the previous videos that whatever I list out there is the minimum profit is about 20-25%. That's the minimum. That's for the booster items. Okay, because booster items we used to sell for just boosting account. It's not for the profit. We have booster items, we have profitable items, we have high profit items where we sell for double price.
I want to stop right here because this is very crucial and big, huge mistake for most dropshippers. Because when you start, when most dropshippers start dropshipping, they try to target the high profit, hot selling items or something like this, which automatically puts them on the way struggling all the way along, struggling. This is not how it works. That's why I told you I developed the system how in a proven way, easy way, and the most quickest possible way you can start getting money if you list certain items in certain way, in certain category for the certain price, implementing just a very simple strategies, business sense strategies. Okay, so that's the system. And basically, if you have seen my metrics, you have seen that the first 3 months I did almost nothing, because the highest amount what I earned in a sales per day, what I get in a sales per day was about $500 per sales in a day for first 3 months, June, July, August, 3 months, about 400, 300 per day in sales, which is nothing really. But since 3 months went over, you can see my sales went up between 2,000 and 4,000. The one day you can see there was 3,000 and 4,000 up, and then it came back to 2,000 because I needed to do some adjustment to keep the system that works for me, to keep the sales between 2,000 and 4,000 line. So you can see that today on September 6th, I get back again the system working for me perfectly between 2 and 4,000. That's called system with 799. How to keep your account consistently selling for you in the system. That's it. There is no magic. no secrets. It's just a little bit of knowledge how to do eBay manual dropshipping. Any questions, please put in a comment, or you can find another video below in the description area how I started this. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.